Hi guys, welcome back to CodeMine. Carrie here and hope you guys are enjoying C programming tutorial on our channel CodeMine, right? And I hope you have understand the topic related to the file handling, and in this video we will talk about how we can read the content of a file, right? So in the previous video we have done about how we can create a file, right? And how we can write data into that file, right? So in this video, we will talk about how we can open an existing file, right? And how we can read data from it, right? So let's start this video that how we can do that job. So for that, we have a function here, void main, that we will write down. So first of all, we need to write down a reference of a file. Then we need a character, right, which will read a file. Then we need to open that file. The way is very much similar, right? F open, then the path of that file, that is, this is our file, right? And this is in same directory, hello.txt, right? So we will go here and we will write down hello.txt, and we need to keep in mind that this should be in R, because if it's a in W mode, write mode, it will overwrite the file, right? And file will be blank. And how we can read now file, that C is equal to, we have a f get C, right? So it will read a single character. Now we have to write down loop while thus C, if C is not equal to end of file, right? That is, EOF will represent the end of a file. So what we will do, print, so I need to enter a proper space here, printf, then simple C is for character C, right? And again f get C is equal to fp, and here C is equal to this way, right? Until we didn't reach the end of file, this loop will continue to print the data in that file, right? So that is the best way to read any file, right? Last, what we need to do is we need to close the file. That is a simple way, right? fp, right? That is a simple way. So we will try to run this program and we will see that whether we are able to do the same thing or not, right? So our gcc -o, then we have a read file, right? Then we have a read file.c. So we have compiled successfully your program, and this is our object file, and we will run that file. And you guys can see now, hello, it's a new file. So we are able to read the content, right? So whatever we have writing down here. So if I write down anything else here, like hello, it's reading through C code, right? So I save it here. So if I again run this program, so you guys can see now we are able to see the output. So that is a very good example of a reading of a file. So what we have done here in the read file, we just write down a hash includes stdio.h, right? A header file. Then we have a main method. In that we have created a variable of file, right? Then we have a character to read, to store a single character, right? Then we have a f open. F open will require two variables, two values, you can say. One is path of the file and file mode in which you want to open that file, right? So we have a R is read mode, right? Why we do not use here a W? Because we are only reading the file, right? So here we have a f get C, it will read a character here, right? So we have to read the character until we do not reach the end of the file, right? So here we are that. So we are printing the file and we are going to read the next character, right? So this is one by one we are able to see the character, right? So that is a very good example of reading a file. And in this last line, f close, we are closing the file. So that is also very important. So this is all about reading a file. So if you guys have any query, any question, you guys can comment into the comment box, right? and the guys who still not subscribed our channel, right, the guys can subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button below this video, and also hit the bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos, right? And please share this channel with your friends and family, and also tell about your views in the comment sections, right? So thanks for watching. Have a very good day.